Speak with purpose, not passivity. Replace "I like it" with the definitive "very nice" and "goodbye" with a confident "see you later." In moments of decision, offer "go ahead" rather than the hesitant "you go first." Respond with pleasure, not the ordinary "you're welcome," for it echoes strength in humility. When you listen, don't merely hear, say "I'm listening," and let it convey your full presence. For silence, demand it. Be quiet holds more weight than "shut up." When faced with the unknown, replace uncertainty with "let me look it up," a mark of resourcefulness. And when you express yourself, shed the cautious "in my opinion." Speak as though your words are undeniable truths, shaping the world around you.